Hello everybody. Welcome to How to Channel, the art of marketing, sales, and project management. This is the way number 9 of the 100 proven ways to make more and more money through marketing. This series will consist of very important videos and will contain some advice that I hope will benefit you. Please, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Let's get started. The way number 9 to make and earn more money through marketing is offering consulting services in marketing industry. Offering consulting services in the marketing industry involves providing professional guidance and advice to businesses that want to improve their marketing strategies, operations, and outcomes. Marketing consultants work with businesses of all sizes, across various industries, to help them achieve their marketing goals and objectives. Marketing consulting services can cover a wide range of topics, including market research, brand strategy, digital marketing, content marketing, customer experience, public relations, event marketing, retail operations, and analytics. The specific services offered by marketing consultants will depend on the needs and objectives of their clients. Marketing consultants typically have extensive experience and expertise in marketing, and they use their knowledge and skills to help businesses develop and implement effective marketing strategies. They may conduct research and analysis to identify market trends and opportunities, develop marketing plans and campaigns, and provide guidance and training to marketing teams. Offering consulting services in the marketing industry can be highly beneficial for businesses in several ways. 1. Expert guidance. Marketing consultants have specialized knowledge and expertise in marketing, which they can leverage to provide businesses with expert guidance and advice on how to improve their marketing strategies, operations, and outcomes. 2. Cost-effective. Hiring a marketing consultant can be a cost-effective way for businesses to get professional marketing services without the expense of hiring a full-time marketing employee or team. 3. Objectivity. Marketing consultants can provide an objective perspective on a business's marketing efforts, which can be valuable in identifying blind spots or areas for improvement. 4. Customized solutions. Marketing consultants work closely with their clients to understand their unique needs and objectives, and they develop customized marketing solutions to help achieve those goals. 5. Competitive advantage. By working with a marketing consultant, businesses can gain a competitive advantage by developing more effective marketing strategies and campaigns that help them stand out in their industry. 6. Results-driven. Marketing consultants focus on achieving measurable results for their clients, such as increased sales, improved brand awareness, and higher customer engagement. In conclusion, marketing consulting services can help businesses improve their marketing efforts, achieve their business objectives, and gain a competitive advantage in their industry. The steps to help you make more money through offering consulting services in the marketing industry are: 1. Identify your niche. One of the first steps to making more money as a marketing consultant is to identify your niche. Consider the areas of marketing that you specialize in, and focus on offering consulting services in those areas. This can help you position yourself as an expert in your field and attract more clients. 2. Build your brand. Establish a strong brand identity for your consulting business. This includes creating a professional website, developing a portfolio of your work, and actively promoting your services on social media and other platforms. 3. Develop your services. Develop a range of marketing consulting services that you can offer to clients. This may include market research, brand strategy, digital marketing, content marketing, customer experience, public relations, event marketing, retail operations, and analytics. 4. Set your prices. Determine how much you will charge for your consulting services. Research industry standards and consider factors such as your level of expertise and the value you can bring to your clients. Be sure to communicate your pricing clearly to clients. 5. Market your services. Promote your marketing consulting services through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and networking events. Consider offering free consultations or workshops to attract potential clients. 6. Deliver exceptional service. Provide exceptional service to your clients to build your reputation and gain referrals. Focus on delivering measurable results and building long-term relationships with your clients. 7. Expand your offerings. Consider expanding your marketing consulting services as your business grows. This may include offering additional services or branching out into new areas of marketing. By following these steps, you can build a successful marketing consulting business and make more money by offering valuable services to your clients. Remember to focus on delivering exceptional service, building strong relationships with clients, and continually growing and expanding your offerings. There are many different types of consulting services that can be offered in the marketing industry. Here are some examples. 1. Market research consulting. This type of consulting involves conducting market research to help businesses better understand their target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Services may include survey design, data analysis, and market forecasting. 2. Branding consulting. Branding consultants help businesses develop and maintain a strong brand identity that resonates with their target audience. Services may include brand strategy development, brand messaging, and visual identity design. 3. Digital marketing consulting. Digital marketing consultants help businesses optimize their online presence and reach their target audience through digital channels. Services may include search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. 4. Content marketing consulting. Content marketing consultants help businesses create and distribute high-quality content that engages and informs their target audience. Services may include content strategy development, content creation, and content promotion. 5. Marketing automation consulting. Marketing automation consultants help businesses automate their marketing processes to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Services may include marketing automation platform selection, implementation, and optimization. 6. Sales consulting. Sales consultants help businesses improve their sales performance through better sales strategies, tactics, and processes. Services may include sales training, sales process design, and sales performance analytics. 7. Customer experience consulting. Customer experience, CX, consultants help businesses improve the overall experience that their customers have with their brand. Services may include customer journey mapping, customer feedback analysis, and CX strategy development. 8. Public relations consulting. Public relations, PR, consultants help businesses build and maintain a positive public image. Services may include media relations, crisis communications, and reputation management. 9. Event marketing consulting. Event marketing consultants help businesses plan and execute successful events that promote their brand and engage their target audience. Services may include event strategy development, event planning, and event promotion. 10. Market entry consulting. Market entry consultants help businesses enter new markets or expand their existing market share. Services may include market analysis, competitive analysis, and market entry strategy development. 11. Retail consulting. Retail consultants help businesses optimize their retail operations to improve customer experience and drive sales. Services may include store layout design, inventory management, and sales training. 12. Analytics consulting. Analytics consultants help businesses use data analytics to better understand their customers, optimize their marketing efforts, and drive growth. Services may include data analysis, predictive modeling, and dashboard development. As you can see, there are many different areas of specialization within marketing consulting, and each type of consulting service requires specific skills and expertise. And until here, we have come to the end of today's video, the way number 9 of the 100 proven ways to earn more and more money through marketing. Thank you and very proud of you. I hope you benefited, and I hope I didn't take up too much of your time. and I will see you in a new way to earn more money. If you liked the video, please press like, follow and subscribe.